I'm interested in, the combination of these different gestures and expressions that are made, by these bodies that you're representing. Can you talk a little bit about the other two, nexus and duality?
Yeah, well, there's like a common theme that I only realized this morning thinking about the work. And so while I'm using this cold stainless steel with these very warm organic parts of our bodies, our hands, our arms, the work is about intimacy, about the intimacy of a gesture, of touch, of even conflict. And for these works to be out in the public, I'm realizing that they, in a way, speak to many of the ways that we relate to other people in public space. We fight, we dance, and we fight, we dance, and we protest. Or is it that we fight, we dance, and we throw signs? I don't know. I think we fight, we dance, and we protest. And this idea of one strike is about this conflict. The nexus is the two arms that are interlaced. They're almost dancing or spinning in the midst of a twirl. I don't know. But they also have this kind of reference to like the double helix.
Yeah.
And then protest in the context of the peace gesture, or just a victory gesture, which can be a sign of resistance or a call to accountability, a plea for peace, for calm and resolution. There's something about that. I think the fighting, the dancing, the protesting, which are, if you this is as you're watching me process this in real time. But are there other ways that you think that we see people in public? Really, we play.
Play, yeah.
We play, which again, the
right, that is a play gesture.
Yeah, dancing and playing. Are there other ways you think that we tend to interact with other people in public space?
I'm processing it too. I think you kind of have those major modes of, interaction, address, some which are, quite a few of which are intimate. Even anger is intimacy, right? And vulnerability, to express anger is to be vulnerable also.
So maybe we fight, we love, we protest.
Ah, there you go.
Because it's not dancing. I see the duality is, and it came to me as I was really reflecting on the tension of this time, and how to reconcile with it, and coming to terms with the reality that violence is a form of intimacy, and because we tend to be intimate, when we violent with people who we feel like we're entangled with in some way. And a lot of my work attempts to highlight some of the misguidedness of that. And while these gestures in these sculptures, in some ways, they're very simple and obvious, because everyone has body parts, and everyone who can see themselves. But on a deeper level, I think, because there is a phenomenological experience that is really related to the corporeal experience, the work works on like a kind of subconscious level as well with us. I feel viscerally responsive to when I strike. I'm struggling with how to reconcile duality, and then I'm like receiving the message. No, I'm receiving the message in duality and struggling to reconcile the entanglement of nexus.